Bake the best Shoofly coffee cake with these simple ingredients. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be making a delicious Shoofly coffee cake recipe. This recipe is perfect for those who love coffee and cake, as it combines the two in a sweet and savory way. Whether you're looking for a tasty breakfast treat or a delicious dessert, this recipe is sure to satisfy your taste buds. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup packed light brown sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon salt, 1 cup hot brewed coffee, 1/2 cup molasses, 1 egg. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking dish with cooking spray. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, brown sugar, and butter. Use a fork or a pastry cutter to mix until the mixture becomes crumbly. Reserve 1/2 cup of the mixture for the topping and set it aside. Add the baking soda and salt to the remaining mixture in the bowl and stir well. In a separate bowl, whisk together the hot coffee, molasses, and egg until combined. Pour the coffee mixture into the bowl with the flour mixture and stir until just combined. Pour the batter into the prepared baking dish and sprinkle the reserved crumb mixture over the top. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Once done, remove from oven and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. And there you have it, a delicious Shoofly coffee cake recipe that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you do try it out, let us know in the comments below how it turned out. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.